Elephants are fascinating creatures known for their impressive size, intelligence, and social behavior. Here are some additional details about elephants. There are two main species of elephants, the African elephant, Loxodonta africana and Loxodonta cyclotis, and the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Elephants are the largest land animals. Adult African elephants can reach a height of about 13 feet, 4 meters, at the shoulder, and weigh between 5,000 and 14,000 pounds, 2,268, 6,350 kilograms. Asian elephants are slightly smaller, measuring around 8.2, 9.8 feet, 2.53 meters, in shoulder height, and weighing between 4,500 and 12,000 pounds, 2,041, 5,443 kilograms. Their most distinctive feature is their long trunk, which is a fusion of the nose and upper lip. The trunk is incredibly versatile and used for breathing, smelling, drinking, picking up objects, and communicating. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth. However, only some male Asian elephants have tusks, and they are generally smaller. Tusks are used for defense, digging, and stripping bark off trees. Elephants are highly social animals that live in complex family groups called herds. African elephant herds are usually led by a matriarch, an older and experienced female. Male elephants tend to leave the herd when they reach sexual maturity, while female elephants stay with their families for life. Elephants are herbivores and have a diverse diet. They consume a large quantity of plant material, including grasses, leaves, bark, fruits, and roots. Adult elephants can eat up to 400 pounds, 136, 181 kilograms of food per day. Elephants are considered threatened species due to habitat loss, poaching for ivory, and conflicts with human activities. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their populations and habitats. Elephants are known for their high level of intelligence and complex social behavior. They display problem-solving skills, exhibit emotions, and show empathy towards other elephants. Elephants have a relatively long lifespan. In the wild, African elephants can live up to 70 years, while Asian elephants can live up to 60 years or even longer in captivity. These are just some key points about elephants. If you have any specific questions or need more information, feel free to ask.